guys, it's Blake.
And Nita, how are y'all doing?
I was about to say good.
Well, she's doing good at least.
We're back. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to click the button below and subscribe to see our upcoming videos and all of our past videos on Tip of the Days.
Right, on the Better Better.
On the Better Better.
What's the Better Better? It's like a giant headband that wraps around your mattress. You put it on once and you never have to put it on again. It becomes a part of your mattress for the lifetime of your mattress. And then you simply just tuck your sheets in from the top and you never have to lift your mattress to put your sheets on again. And it takes you 3 seconds in the morning to make your bed, and it holds those sheets on tight at night, and they won't pop off. It's that easy.
We hope y'all had a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Sale. Love that noise.
We hope y'all had a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Yes. I did. I had a great Christmas and a great New Year's. Love spending it with my family.
Yeah.
Did anything exciting happen to you, Blake, Emily?
Yeah.
What?
I got engaged.
Yay! I'm so excited. I get a new son-in-law. I love it. Love it. My first son-in-law, anyway.
Tip of the day.
Tip of the day.
What are we going to talk about?
Welcome to the family, Tyler. The tip of the day today is sheets tucked or untucked. It is the great debate. And all week we've been having comments from people. And I'm like, oh my gosh.
The theme this week.
Is the theme this week. I don't know why I always have to repeat what you say, but I do. Shirley says, can't have something that tight across my feet. Ann says, I have to have my feet stick out. I don't like confinement. Another says, I hate having my feet pinned down. Not for me. Can't stand upper sheet tucked in. Dolores, I don't want my sides tucked in. I mean, this goes on and on. So all week, everybody's been talking about they can't have their feet tucked in. So I want you all to know, the Better, we demonstrate that to show you how tight and how good the Better works when you tuck your sheets in. But
like to make your bed, or
yes,
or if some people do like it, you can use it.
So we're going to show you how you can have your sheets tucked in. You can have your sheets not tucked in. You can have your side tucked in while your partner doesn't have their side tucked in. Mm-hmm. So we want to show you all that. So having the Better doesn't mean you have to be confined. The sides are loose, so it easily comes up at night. I mean, it's really perfect. It just makes it easier to make your bed. And if you like your sheets tucked in, it stays tucked in at night. If you don't, untuck it, and then it's that easy to make your bed in the morning, right?
Yeah. Let's show them.
So, show him and
show them.
We'll show them. Y'all, come on. So, if you want your top sheet and you don't want it tucked at all, it's from what we're hearing, then don't tuck it in. The Better is great because it's easy to make your bed in the morning, and your bottom sheet's going to stay on, and it's not going to go anywhere when you sleep all night. But your top sheet's going to be free just like you like it, so there's no big deal. In the morning, you make your bed like you normally would. Now, if you like a neat bed and you like your sheets tucked, the Better is great for that. Again, your bottom sheet's on. It's not going anywhere. Take your top sheet, flip the side down, pull it across the side like this to make it tight, and then you just tuck it in. Flip the Better back up. It's that easy.
Flip it down, flip to the side, and flip back up.
So, and then run your hand along the sides, and like we said, in 3 seconds your bed's made, and it's nice and neat. Now, if you like your sheets tucked in and you do like your feet confined and you don't like that sheet all over, then this is perfect. You get in your bed, the sides are loose, you get in like you normally would. So you're not confined on the side. That's really easy. It's loose on purpose. But look, your feet, you can kick all night. You can do your side if you want. I mean, you're not going anywhere. But here's the thing. In the morning, see that? You pull your sheet tight like that. And again, 2 seconds to make your bed. Now we have the ones that don't want their feet confined. That's easy. Just untuck your side and you don't have to have your feet confined. So if you have a partner and they don't want their feet confined, but you want yours tucked, it's the great dilemma. What do we do? The Better actually solves that. So Blake, untuck your side and show them how they can have their feet in and out just like they like it. No confinement. Just like you want. Sleep all night with your feet out, loose, however you want. But I want my side tucked in because I want my feet tucked in. I don't want my feet flopping through the air at night. Well, look. She can move her feet all she wants. She's not confined. But my side is really good. Same thing in the morning. It's easy to make your bed. After they made that mess on that side, you simply just take it. Tuck that side back in. Run your hands along the side. And that's it. That's it. Now, the other great debate is to have a top sheet at all. So, a lot of people don't even sleep with a top sheet. If you don't sleep with a top sheet, guess what? Don't sleep with a top sheet. Keep your bottom sheet tucked in, and you can move around all night you want, use your comfort or whatever, and you don't have to worry about you don't have to worry about your sheet moving all over. So, no top sheet, no problem. Better.
So that's our tip of the day.
So, yes, that is our tip of the day. So, top sheet confinement. You want confinement? Better works perfect. You don't want confinement? Better works perfect. You don't want a top sheet? No problem. It's all good. It's better, good. So, let's do our recap, which is the better holds the corner so tight that your partner can be tucked and you don't have to, or vice versa. If you want the top sheet completely untucked, the better can just hold that bottom sheet on and you can keep that top sheet untucked. And the better sides are loose and you can't kick out the bottom as easily and you're feel unrestricted on the side. So the sides are loose. That's easy. In and out. That's not a problem. So some people think it's like a sleeping bag, that the sides are going to be tucked in and they got to crawl in and get in there and they're tucked in. It's not. The sides are loose just like any normal
It's only
bed
the
that you
corners that are
Exactly.
holding the sheets in place. The quote of the day is from Dory. She said, "Your product is amazing. We have a Tempur-Pedic mattress that we absolutely love. Problem is that it's only 9 inches high. It is nearly impossible to find sheets that fit properly. We tried everything, including adding toppers and every gadget that claims to hold the sheets in place. The sheets still come off by morning. We were just about to give up and buy a new mattress when I saw your product online. Well, we finally found it. We no longer have to make our bed every single night, and we can keep our favorite bed. Thank you."
My goodness, Dory was going to go and buy a new mattress.
I know.
Tried every sheet, every gadget, and instead of trying to figure it out, there's nothing out there, she was going to go buy a new mattress. But thanks to the better,
She doesn't have to.
doesn't have to buy a new mattress. Thank you to everybody that shared, liked, subscribed, purchased. Thank you so much. You made 2019 so exciting for us. So we cannot wait for 2020. So thanks again. And we'll end with Nita's short comment of the week. And it's from Linda. And Linda says, "Amazing if it works." Well, Linda, it works. So we get this all the time. People think, "Oh my God, this is great." But does it really work? We understand that everybody's skeptical. It's a new product, a new invention. There's nothing else like it on the market. So they've tried everything, just like Dory did. She tried every gadget, every strap, everything she could, and nothing worked. So why would this work? We promise you, try it, and you'll be amazed. The better. So here's to 2020. Go better. Yay!
Woo! Bye, guys.
Bye.